Hello students, in this session we are going to learn about wind. So what is wind and how we can experience wind? Let us learn. First, we already know that any element that is heated up will expand. For example, the atmospheric air around us will expand when it is heated. Can you ever seen a candle that is melted? So whenever a candle is lighted up, it will melt itself and it will expand. Similarly, the air particles will also get heated up and expand when there is a sunlight more than the normal days. So this heated air has very low pressure, that is, the particles are expanded and the pressure in this area is very low. But during the winter season or near the sea level, what will happen? So consider this is an ocean. So in this region the air will be densely packed. So the air particles are closely packed and the pressure of the air over here is high because of the cooling nature of the ocean. So due to water over here, the air over here gets cooled and it's very densely packed, hence it has very high pressure. So this high pressure makes this air move towards the low pressure region. So this air moves over here at a high speed and this causes a wind. So what is wind? A wind is a air that moves at high speed. Okay children, we will make a small model to experience wind. Now take a sheet of paper, cut the sheet of paper in the form of square. So all the four sides are to be equal in length. Then draw a line from here to here and then from here to here, so that we can find out the center point of this square. I have made two lines diagonally to this square, so you will get a center point here, and then we have to cut this over here. Children, kindly do this with the help of your parents. Okay children, now you will get like this. So it will be connected in the center and you can move this like this. Now take this edge and attach it over here at the center using the glue like this. Then attach the next opposite side like this, and again attach it at the center. Then we need to attach this side, and then finally this part. So all these parts must be glued together. So let's glue it together now. Children, hold it for a while so that it will be have some time to dry. Once it is dried, take a thicker sheet of paper or a cardboard and cut it to place it over the back side of this wheel. Add some glue and fix it over here. Take another sheet like cardboard, cut it and paste it in the front side also like this. Children, now we have formed a wheel like this. So after making it to cure, that is after making it to dry, we can take it like this. Now take a safety pin, open it like this and move it to make it as 90 degree. Kindly do this with your parents' support. Don't do this alone. So now you get a 90 degree angle to support this wheel. Now we can support this wheel. So we have to make a hole from the behind at the center. So it will be like this. Don't push it too much, just leave it so that it does not comes out through this front sheet. Okay, so it should be just inserted like this. Okay, don't press it too much so that it should not come out through this front side. Okay, so that it will be mounted like this. Now if you blow air on it, this will move. Okay, so try this and take it near a table fan and check at what distance this wheel moves. Okay, so kindly try this. First blow through your mouth and check whether this wheel is moving or not. So can you see this? If I blow, this wheel is moving. So similarly you should try this and move this with the distance from the table fan. So kindly calculate the distance from the table fan at which this wheel can rotate, and then share your experience in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.